Today we are going to perform the practical on to determine active, reactive and apparent power consumed by resistive and capacitive load, that is RC series circuit. Now we will see the what resource required to perform this practical. First, this is the auto transformer, then AC voltmeter, then AC ammeter, then rheostat. We can use the resistive load, lamp as a resistive load, then capacitor. Okay. This is the circuit diagram of your practical. First, this is the single phase 230 volt AC supply is given to this auto transformer having the two terminal. This is the phase and this is the neutral. The common terminal of this the phase terminal of this auto transformer is connected to common terminal of this voltmeter. Then common terminal of this voltmeter is connected to common terminal of an ammeter. Then range terminal of this ammeter is connected to first terminal of an resistive load. Then second terminal of this resistive load is connected to first terminal of an capacitive load, and second terminal of an capacitive load is connected to range terminal of an voltmeter, and then range terminal of an voltmeter is connected to neutral terminal of this auto transformer. Okay. Then this is the observation and calculation part of your practical. In this practical we have to measure V, that is the supply voltage indicated by voltmeter, then I current indicated by ammeter, then VR, that is the voltage across resistive load. This can be measured with the help of multimeter. Then VC, that is the voltage across capacitor. This can also be measured with the help of multimeter. From this value we can calculate the active, reactive and apparent power. This power can be calculated by using this following calculation. First, active power VI cos phi, then reactive power VI sin phi, and apparent power VI. Then we will see the actual procedure for this practical. First, select the equipment, instrument and component as per the resource required table. Then connect the circuit as shown in circuit diagram. Then switch on the supply. Then vary the voltage by using auto transformer in steps. First 100 volt, then 150 volt and 200 volt. Then third, record the values of VI, VR and VC as shown in this observation table. Okay. Now we will see the actual setup of this practical. First, single phase 230 volt AC supply is given to this single phase auto transformer having the rating 0 to 260 volt and having two terminal, first phase and second neutral. The phase terminal of this auto transformer is connected to common terminal of a voltmeter. Then this common terminal of an voltmeter is connected to common terminal of an ammeter. Then range terminal of an ammeter is connected to first terminal of an resistive load. Then second terminal of an resistive load is connected to, this is the capacitive load, connected to the first terminal of an capacitive load. Then second terminal of an capacitive load is connected to the range terminal of an voltmeter, and then range terminal of an voltmeter is connected to neutral terminal of an auto transformer. This connection will be same as shown in circuit diagram. Then we will take the reading. First we switch on the AC supply. Then as shown in procedure we vary the voltage in step. First we can vary the voltage up to 175 volt. Okay, this is the supply voltage. You can write in observation table. This is the reading of V. Then ammeter, this show the current. 0.23 you can write in observation table I. Then we can measure the VR, that is the voltage across resistive load, shown in multimeter, that is 20.21. This is the reading of VC 173. Okay. Then we will take the second reading. Same, we can vary the voltage 200 volt. Okay. Then we can write the reading of I as shown in observation table, that is the 0.25. Then we take the reading of VR, that is voltage across resistive load, as shown in multimeter. Okay, 18.6. Then we will take the reading of VC, that is voltage across capacitive load, shown by multimeter 204. We will take the further reading for repeat the same procedure.